Hey boys and girls, hey, I wanted to do a little demonstration for you today. I'm obsessed with this science YouTube channel. It's called Sick Science. Check it out sometime. And in this, on this YouTube channel, they have just a bunch of really short 1 to 2 minute videos in which they show you all the supplies you might need to do a science demonstration, something that demonstrates something cool about science. And so I'm going to do a little, I'm inspired by them, so I'm going to do a little demonstration for you, okay? Well, today I'm going to show you the materials we're going to need. We're going to need a measuring cup. Now, I'm not really going to measure anything with it. I just need it to be able to pour some liquid. A measuring cup. We're going to need some vinegar, okay? Not this much vinegar, just a little amount. Vinegar, now this is white vinegar. It's clear. I don't know why they call it white, but it's clear vinegar. You could use any vinegar that you might have in the house. Apple cider vinegar, that's hard to say. You're gonna need, whatever. You're gonna need some baking soda, okay? Gonna need one of these. Now, this is a lighter, and because this activity I'm gonna show you is gonna involve fire, this is something you're not allowed to do on your own. You need to have a parent with you if you want to redo this video. Back to that YouTube channel, all of those videos, they always say adult supervision. So never do any kind of science demonstration with fire on your own, and really not with anything that could be dangerous. You always want to make sure you have a parent watching over you. And especially with the fire, that's something your parent actually has to do. You can't do that. I'm going to need 4 of these little candles, okay, and a spoon. So I'm going to go ahead and light up these candles, and I'm going to talk while I do it. These candles are all set up in a row. You're going to see it in a minute. And I'm going to make a chemical reaction in my measuring cup. And then I'm going to add some vinegar to my cup. Not too much, just a little bit. Okay, all right. I'm gonna actually put the camera down here so you can see all of this going on. I have to bend it down a little bit. There we go. Okay, you can see they're all lit up. I put my vinegar in here. I'm gonna take a spoonful of baking soda, and I'm going to dump it in here. And if you've ever seen those, you know, when kids do volcanoes, they always ask if they can do them. They make the model volcano, and then inside the volcano they have vinegar and baking soda, and it erupts, and it's kind of cool. So I'm going to do this. I'm actually going to hide. Well, you'll understand later. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Can you hear it fizzing? I know you can see it. I'm going to get close so you can hear it. It's so cool. All right. Now, when this reaction takes place, there's a lot of carbon dioxide gas. And watch what I'm going to do with that gas. And you're going to say, oh, Mr. Thornton, I know you're just blowing out the candles, but I am not. Check it out. You see that? Isn't that cool? I literally poured the carbon dioxide gas that was produced in the measuring cup, and I poured it out onto the little candles, and that gas put out the fire. Isn't that neat? Now, I want you to think back to a science activity where we, was way back, we learned about density. And we had the different types of blocks They were all made of different materials, and some of them floated and some of them sunk. And that was because they were either less dense than water or more dense than water. And of course, anything that was more dense sunk. Well, this is sort of the same idea here. Carbon dioxide gas was poured out of my measuring cup. I poured it out so that it fell out of the cup and went down on the fire and put it out. So what does that tell you about carbon dioxide gas compared to the air around us? Is carbon dioxide gas heavier than the air around us, meaning it's more dense? Or is it lighter than the air around us, meaning it's less dense? If you're thinking it's more dense, you're right. Carbon dioxide gas is denser than the air that we are breathing. So that's why it fell out of the measuring cup and put out the fires. It's like a little fire extinguisher. Anyway, I hope you like that. And I told you about this YouTube channel, Sick Science. I would love for you to, in the next few weeks, just go on there and check out all the different videos if you have the free time. And if you find one that you really like, try it out. And if you really, really like it, make a video of it, like I did. Doesn't have to be as long as this video, but whatever. And then post it on either the science page, or if you just want to share it with me, you can send it as an attachment in an email or in an Edsby message. But it's nothing that I want you to have to do. It's nothing I'm assigning. It's just something to keep you busy in these next few weeks. And, forever, because Sick Science is on YouTube. It's not going anywhere. And anytime you want to investigate some cool science activities, that would be a good place to go. As for now, I think I'm going to sign off. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll talk with you soon, future sixth graders.